What's going on, guys? D5, it's your boy, Start on Breezy, baby. Start on Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might get me a bluesy. Yeah, baby, you hear that? The Birdman, little daddy, cause I do this for me glad. And why? Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. Hey, man, it's Monday morning, baby. We still dripping. We made it through the weekend. A lot of platforms ain't made it through the weekend, baby. Still no changes. Still dripping. Dripping. Why? Hey, oh, man, check this out. I had to say this before I forget. Somebody commented, because it was so funny. Somebody commented on my last video. Oh, y'all just want this thing to keep going. Y'all just want this thing to keep going. Like, I ain't even respond. Like, what kind of fun is that? I mean, you need to go back to the fun drawing board, man. That's not good fun, bro. Like, that don't make no sense. Who don't want something they end to keep going? That don't even make, that's like people outside of crypto looking at us talking about y'all just want crypto to keep going. Y'all just want Bitcoin to keep going and Ethereum. Yeah. Like, why wouldn't we want drip? That don't even make sense. They're delusional, bro. I mean, it just, bro, I don't know, man. It's getting quite comical at this point. You know what I'm saying? But all I know is still paying that 1%. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me show you this before I forget why my thing done popped up right here. The little chat done popped up. Let me go on to the chat since it done popped up. Let's see what we got. Where is it? Let's see if I can scroll up to it. Y'all know I like to show y'all stuff. I show you behind the scenes. That's what I do, man. Ladies of the Faucet. Oh, I saw this on Telegram too. I don't know who this is. But they got, man. See, people they build stuff around drip. You know what I'm saying? What? The community doing it, man. You know what I'm saying? So, Ladies of the Faucet. Look it up. It's what's it say? LOFT on Telegram. If you're a female in drip, they're giving away some kind of airdrop or something. What, man? What, man? If people weren't making no money, they wouldn't be doing this. Think about that, bro. But I'm keep going. Y'all just want drip to last. Like, bro, y'all killing me. Where is it? That's funny right there too. Oh, here you go, right here. This is another community member building stuff on top of drip. This is our DeFi proof. Well, NFT launch official, blah, 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 1%, 6 p.m. August 30. DeFi proof, another person building something on top of drip. There's a million other platforms that these people are in. It ain't like, see, people just think they just in drip and not. No, people are in all these. That's why I said crypto is a solo sport. People try out everything. We all in the same stuff. But only one works. Well, as it is intended to. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, another thing, I'm gonna show you something else too. Why did? Watch this. I want them preach. Watch this. Oh, man, let me see. Come on with it. Where is it? Let's see. Where y'all getting all the behind the scenes. Okay, there it is. I see it. If it stop being blurry. Right here. Bam. They ain't gonna show you this, you know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna show you this. Them top 10 dApps on Binance Smart Chain. August 26th. By active users. Every 30 days they do this. They ain't gonna show you this. That's why we know 1 inch, all that. Oh, well, look at that. Old Drip Network. Ain't that something? Still number one. Because you can't count Pancake Swap because that is Binance Smart Chain. Drip Network, number one. Number one by active user. I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, I'm just showing it to you. I ain't that radar. I ain't none of these people. They measure this stuff. They ain't got no dog in the fight. I don't even know what co-write is. I don't know about Cole and them. I don't know about none of this stuff. I know about drip. And it's still number one. Do you see any of your other favorite daps with all this carrying on and changing rules? And I don't know, man. But I see that Drip Network. Shout out to Forex Shark, man. Let's keep it moving. And see, here's the part about Drip. Forex Shark is just one of us. I remember before Drip, man, everybody was in these contracts and these meme coins or whatever, trying to make a couple dollars. And, you know, every time, and what happened to this contract? Oh, Dale stole the money. What happened to this contract? Oh, it got expo. Oh, what happened to this contract? Oh, this is gone rug pull last night. He just like bumping it. You know what I'm saying? I be on my own. And that's what he did. That's why every time I say now, anybody got something bad to say about Drip, build something better then. Why don't you build something better? You can't. Or you haven't. What's the hold up? Build something better. This thing been paying flawlessly for over a year. It did exactly what it said it was going to do. Now show me one other project in DeFi that did exactly what it said it was going to do. With no changes, no none of that. Paid you 1% of your deposits, your work. What did they say? Don't expect no work of your work, your deposits, 1% for 365 days. It did that and beyond. We passed the 365 days. They could have shut down 365 days. We passed that. We almost at a year and a half, and it's still going flawlessly. Not down for maintenance, none of that. I told y'all, I've been telling y'all. You worry about this, can't nobody stop you. You bulletproof. You ain't got to be talking about, man, oh, so-and-so rug. Doesn't that? You build this up, you ain't got to worry about that. And I know it's like magic, but I know nothing has ever been like this, so it's still hard to believe. It's just hard to believe. Man, it doesn't matter. You can look at the glass half full or glass half empty. That's you. Crypto is a solo sport. I can't tell you how to look at a platform. You can look at it glass half full or glass half empty. That's on you. Because this is a solo sport. When it come down to it, you can hoot and holler and talk on Telegram, Discord, all that. Oh, I'm your boy on Twitter. Check out your boy on Twitter. But at the end of the day, you the only one gonna hit this hydrate or this claim. Can't nobody tell you. The community can't tell you. I can't tell you. You got to be responsible for whatever you do. You want to claim on out? Claim on out. This is a big but. Hey, this claim button ain't never fail. Shout out to you. It's your money. Get it. You know what I'm saying? You want to hydrate? That's on you. But anyway, man, I can talk about Drip all day. Let's move on, man. Let's move on, right? Okay. Ava Rice. It's time to collect, baby. Boy, I just know how to make money, man. I'm time to collect. So this should be over 1 million. I'm about to stake over 1 million Ava Rice on the thing. We're going to see how much that make. You're going to see it right along with me. We're going to see how much 1 million make a day. So let's see. I'm going to collect these and we'll come back. Pause the video right quick while they right here. But it's magic. All right, bam. I'm collected. I got over 1 million. That was like 3.4 BNB or something. I already let a little bit over here. So that's good. We're going to see. Let's see. Let's stake it. Stake this 1 million, baby. Come on now. What you doing? What you doing now? Come on now. Here we go. There we go. Six days, baby. Now you do what you want to do now. Hey. Solo sport. You can do 30 days. Do what you want to do. I'm doing 6 days. I might do 10 days next time. Might not. Got 7,000 BNB in here. That's going to be like 6,000 something probably tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? We're going to see, baby. There it is. Bam. I got 1,025,210 stake. We're going to see how much that pay. I already collected my little 3.5 BNB. And I restaked 1 million. We gonna see. I just wanted to last. You know, I'm wrong. I just wanted to last. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all crazy, man. Let's keep it moving, though, man. Bam, let's go to BNB Miner. Let's see what we got. Let me connect that old wallet. You know, starting to connect the wallet, baby. I connects my wallet. You know what I'm saying? You see what's happening. See what's going on. What I got? 1.8 BNB. Still paying, man. Still paying. It's still paying. I'm trying to keep my TVL over 6 so I can be compounding a little bit. But I think be going down. But all I care about this number. This is the only number I care about. This where the money right here. But anyway, let's keep it moving over here. What we got? Oh, Amazon. Check that out. Oh, man, let's check that Drip Guard. Check that Drip Guard. Man, so much. Man, look at this. See how I keep clicking these buttons and making money? You could do the same thing. Oh, that thing. Oh, we got 451,000. Remember, it was at like 340,000, 350,000, something like that. Oh, it's going to zero. And Forex, y'all don't know what you're doing. Blah, blah, blah. Look at that. We're going back up. But it just, it ain't real. What we got? Oh, 16 hundo. You know what I'm finna do? Plant them. Send them all back in there, baby. Yeah, plant that. That's what I do, baby. We gonna hydrate. Hydration nation. That's what we do. That's what I do. You can just hit sell if you want. You know what I'm saying? Drip and our ecosystem is a big boy contract. It take on all these. Everybody can show you all to say show it. And we still going. That's the biggest flex. Other contracts can't handle it, so they got to change the rules. Hold on. Y'all selling too much. We're going to change the rule. Keep the money too. I mean, ain't gonna, y'all know what it is, man. Y'all know what it is. Oh, man, I love this ecosystem. That's why people love to hydrate, because they believe in it. You know what I'm saying? On a Monday. Hey, yeah. Take that all back in there. What we got? Well, I got, 1.5 million where y'all at? Now, $1 million ain't even hard to get no more. $1 million is not hard to get, bro. So you can get to 1 million plants. I'm not a whale in the garden by no means. Anybody that's in the garden will know that. You can see by your own what you got. I'm not a whale in here. I didn't go hard in here, even though this was basically my creation. You know what I'm saying? I had to force Forex. I ain't, force him. But when all the minor craze were coming out, you know what I'm saying? All I was saying is, bro, with a proper developer, you know what I'm saying? An honest developer, a miner can last. You see, a BNB miner, it's done last. It's been all around longer than Drip. How come the other miners didn't last? The developers, they gotta, they be taking money out the back end. You get what I'm saying? This ain't nothing but a miner. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. They got no answer why. You know what I'm saying? Liquidity pool token. Anyway, man, you are listening to the best, man. I appreciate you. Oh, shout out to the notification game. I be seeing y'all, man. Hey, shout out to the notification game, bro. Hey, hold on. Let me. I keep forgetting about this. Hold on. Shout out to the new team members, man. Be doing another airdrop here shortly. Shout out to y'all, man. I'm up over 3,000. I'm up over 3,000, but Hydration Nation. Hey, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.